Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this lecture, I am solving problem 3.58 from the book Thermodynamics in Engineering Approach by Cengel 9th edition. So, the statement of the problem is a piston cylinder device contain 0.6 kilogram of steam. So, mass is given to us is 0.6 kg. At 300 degrees centigrade and 0.5 megapascal. Temperature T1 is equal to 300 degrees centigrade and P1 is equal to 0.5 megapascal, which is equal to 0.5 multiplied by 1000 kilopascal, which is equal to 500 kilopascal. Steam is cooled at constant pressure until one half of the mass condenses. After cooling at pressure is equal to constant, half steam condenses. Half steam condenses mean that half steam is liquid and half steam is vapor. It means the dryness fraction is 0.5. 50% steam is vapor and 50% steam is liquid. So x is equal to 50%. So 50% means 50 divided by 100, which is equal to 0.5. And pressure is constant means P1 is equal to P2, which is equal to 500 kilopascal. Show the process on a TV diagram. Number A. Draw the process on TV diagram. Part B. Find the final temperature and determine the volume change. Find the final temperature T2 and find the change in volume till V, which is equal to V2 minus V1, or we can write this as M into V2 minus V1 because MV is total volume. Now solution. First we check state A or initial state. So first we check whether state A in superheated region or in mixed region. So from saturated steam table at pressure is equal to 500 kilopascal. Initially P1 is given and T1, so we find temperature, saturation temperature at 500. So from the steam table at, this is kilopascal, pressure in kilopascal, this is saturated table, and at 500 kilopascal saturation temperature is 151.86 degree centigrade. As temperature given to us is 300 degree centigrade is greater than Ts. So the steam is initially superheated. So we will find the property from internal energy from superheated steam. So from superheated steam table, specific volume. So from superheated steam table, at pressure P1 is equal to 500 kilopascal and temperature T1 is equal to 300 degrees centigrade, specific volume is equal to, so here this is superheated steam table, superheated vapor table, and this pressure is 500 kilopascal, and here this is 300 degrees centigrade, this temperature is 300. So in front of 300 degrees centigrade, this is specific volume 0.52256, 0.52256 cubic meter per kg, and we can show this on a TV diagram: temperature and degree centigrade and volume and meter cube per kg. And this is saturation curve. This is constant pressure line on TV diagram. P1 is equal to P2 is equal to 500 kilo Pascal. 500 kilopascal. So initially superheated saturated temperature Ts is equal to 151.86 degrees centigrade, but the temperature given to us is more than this temperature. It means that point 1 the temperature is 300 degrees centigrade and this temperature is 151.86. So initial point is in the superheated region. Now for state 2, now we check state 2. So at state 2, X is given to us. It means that this is in as quality is 0.5, which is given to us. So state 2 is in mixed region. Mixed region mean liquid plus vapor region. So we will find V2. So from and on TV diagram this is the font. So this is the, and here volume V1 is equal to 0.05 0.0526 0.0526. Here specific volume is 0.0526 at this point. Now from saturated table, steam table, at pressure P2 is equal to 500 kilopascal. Find V2 and T2, Vf and Vg. Vf and Vg. So Vf is equal to at 500 kilopascal from saturated table. This is Vf and this is Vg. So Vf is 0.001093. Vf is equal to 0.001093 meter cube per kg, and Vg is equal to 0.37489. 0.37489 meter cube per kg. So V2 is equal to Vf plus x2 Vg minus Vf. So V2 is equal to 0.001093 meter cube per kg and plus x2 is 0.5 and Vg is 0.37489 minus Vf is 0.001093 meter cube per kg. So V2 is equal to, simplify this value and find V2, which is equal to 0.18799 meter cube per kg. Now del V is equal to m into V2 minus V1. So putting values, so del V mass is given to us as 0.6 kg, V2 is 0.18799 minus V1 is 0.52256 meter cube per kg. So change in volume is equal to kilogram will be cancelled with kilogram, and del V is equal to minus 0.200742 cubic meter. Now change in volume is negative, so negative sign mean that volume is decreases. So this is the final answer, volume is decreases. And this is the TV diagram. This is V1 0.05226 and this is V2, and V2 is 0.18799 0.18799 meter cube per kg, and this is temperature difference, initial saturation temperature, and this is superheated temperature. So this is the end of the problem, and for more problems please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your friends. Thank you.